Peter, I want to talk to you about a new product we have as well, which is an IX project.
Oh, okay. Can you tell me more about the new product here?
Yeah, so our IX industrial product, it's basically a new standard for Ethernet connectivity. So it's a product that basically takes the RJ45 footprint and basically shrinks it by about 70% on the PCB. So it's a new generation, smaller, more robust, same capabilities as a standard RJ45. So we are pushing the standard to basically help our customers who design very small devices, especially small vision cameras, where RJ45 jack would take at least a half of the space in the PCB. With IX Industrial, you can actually minimize that space by up to 70% while still maintaining the same capabilities in terms of data transfer rate. So it's a new technology product that we are highlighting at this show this year.
And this is a high reliability rugged connector? Or?
Yes, so right now we have the IP20 version, so equivalent of the IP20 RJ45, but in terms of robustness is a step up from the RJ45. We tested this connector according to the railway standards for shock and vibration. It has improved the locking mechanism, so in terms of mechanical stability and mechanical robustness is way higher quality than the standard RJ45 product. So something that market needs definitely in terms of the industrial Ethernet, industrial automation, and industrial communication.
Does that make it more prone to be conducive for rail vertical markets, or is it? Okay.
Absolutely, especially power over Ethernet and power over Ethernet plus capability gives this connector a very good market, also in the railway industry, where you can use this connector to connect different displays, monitors, screens, together with the power over Ethernet to provide data and power with one connector.
Excellent. And are you finding new inroads to getting the US-based rail companies noticing your connectors?
Yep, absolutely. We already have some customers slowly adopting this particular technology, especially customers who require a very small pitch, very small form factor for industrial Ethernet connectivity, where the RJ45 is simply too big or not robust enough to adapt into their application. So definitely we already have some applications where customers are designing in our IX industrial connector.
Where do you see the future of board level connectors going? Are they going to just keep getting smaller and smaller?
This is one point, definitely with the miniaturization, and of course a lot of networks for sensors, where devices are getting more intelligent. There's definitely a requirement for subcomponents shrinking in size, so you can introduce more intelligence into already existing devices. So definitely connectors such as IX Industrial that offers significant space reduction versus standard connectors that we use right now, like RJ45. Definitely there is more trend towards miniaturization right now in the industrial automation to provide the same capabilities with a smaller form factor. Definitely we see that trend all the time, and customers are constantly asking for more functionality in less space. Exactly. So we definitely see that trend ongoing, and actually probably being more relevant as the time goes on.
Great. What are your thoughts on the show so far? Is it attracting some of these vertical markets that you're talking about?
Yep, absolutely. We have a lot of people coming in who are asking a lot of questions, especially when it comes to industrial automation and, of course, the machinery. So we have people not only interested in our large rectangular connectors, but also our smaller board-level connectors, board-to-board, board-to-cable, and connectors like IX Industrial. So we see a good mix between people who are interested in our well-established, well-defined Han rectangular connectors, but also people who are asking for solutions for specifically miniaturization board-level connectivity.
Great. Thank you
it's
very
much. Nice mix.
Great. Thanks very much, Peter. I appreciate your time. Thanks.
Yep, thank you.